Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about our latest AI innovations, Notetaker and MCPx. Our mission at StaffCircle is to connect people and data to drive performance, development and retention. We want to give organisations AI-powered intelligence and tools to build a workforce ready for what's next. And we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in talent management, which is siloed, unstructured data. What do we mean by this? Well, data is spread across different systems that are inaccessible and hard to report on. Things like Word docs and Excel used for running appraisals. Microsoft Teams, where meetings and conversations contain important information, but also CRM and ERP systems containing valuable workforce data. And this is a problem that we can solve using our new innovation MCPx, because this allows us to connect all of those data stores and enabling AI-powered reasoning. It's a way to connect all the different parts of StaffCircle to other AI-enabled systems, and it's underpinned by our AI-powered competency framework, all controllable by our MCPx. We're able to do this because StaffCircle naturally sits between various systems, things like HRIS, ATS, LMS systems, but also ERP and CRM. And all of those external systems contain relevant employee information that could be combined with StaffCircle's own employee data to give next level analytics. And this provides an important performance to execution bridge by connecting individual performance, objectives and skills to overall workforce performance, productivity and efficiency. So to show you how this works, I'm going to enrich a single role with all of the skills and competency levels that are required. It's AI assisted, so it can be adjusted manually. Basically, it's an hour's worth of deep work writing role specifications, but generated instead in a few seconds. But that's just one role. What happens when we connect an HRIS system to StaffCircle? Well, it syncs all over the roles over into StaffCircle, so it can then build out an entire role and competency framework with every skill, every role and every pathway fully described. This enables data-driven succession planning, skills, gap analysis and single person dependency analysis, all crucial for employee retention. But there's still data left in the Teams meetings. So next up is our AI-powered Notetaker, which connects automatically to Microsoft Teams calls, analyzes each meeting and understands the context, so it's able to drive follow-up actions into different systems, create visualizations, and most importantly connect to the rest of the platforms to provide contextual information. So with all this capability in place, we can now use MCPx to drive StaffCircle from any other MCP-enabled system. And here is a recording of me entering a simple prompt into Claude, asking it to create me a report for our US sales team to deliver an objective of 500,000 and understand the skills gaps across the team, connecting all of the performance data with our CRM and conversational data from our meetings. I'm also asking it to identify leaders, understand their skills gaps and figure out areas of their role that we could hand over to agents in order to improve their productivity. I've also asked it to create some basic skills data for our competency framework so it can connect to agents and train them. And here is a dashboard it created dynamically from that single prompt in Claude.